Hi everyone, this is my first video on YouTube and I'm creating this video on purpose of unboxing Lenovo ThinkPad USB-C dock Gen 2. Let's get started.
That's good.
Here again came with this box. You get warranty card. You get the ThinkPad using manual. Here's the AC adapter, and as well as the power cord. And here is the unit come in red color, as you can see. ThinkPad, and then came with the USB-C cable. That's interesting. Let's take all side and let's focus on that. And this is the unit, as you can see. From the front, it have a USB-C connection and the USB connection, headphone jack. From the back you get the USB-C and the power connector for the AC power, and you will have a 3 display output, 2 DVI and 1 HDMI, and there are 4 USBs including the front one, so 5 USBs, and the network RJ45 port. So from this display you can get one display with 4K at 60 Hz, or 2 display at 4K with 30 Hz, or 3 display with 1080p resolution, as you can see. And from the side you have a look. The look. See here. Look. You can lock the device in your disk, and there is a power button here. Clicky. And that's it, guys. Hope you like my video. That's it for today, guys. If you have any question, put them in the comment below, and if you find this video is useful, hit the like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you the next video.